best revenge. Heard they was sleeping again.
Yo, crypto YouTube, how's it going? Crypto Stud here with another banger.
I can make you break a sweat, break a sweat, break a sweat, break your neck, break your neck, break your neck. Break a sweat.
Crypto YouTube, how's it going? Crypto Stud here with another banger. Switch it up a little bit this video. I'm not going to do the whole intro and stuff. I'm just going to pop this out on YouTube, give my thoughts for the weekend. A little choppiness going on since last night. I did add to my position. We got the pullback that I was looking for, added more to my position, and now we're off to the races. So this is kind of going to be one of my like live trades, but commentary involved with it. I do want to look at the charts, so we'll get into that in a little bit, just briefly into the charts. I am seeing some bullish stuff, some bullish items on the higher time frame, so I think it's going to take a little bit of time for them to actually play out. So good for my long, but it is Saturday. Saturday might be choppy. But, you know, you never know. We might wake up tomorrow and we're at 100,000, right? But we are at the bottom of the range. Time to be bullish. Time to look for higher high, something, you know? Enjoy. I did just wake up not too long ago. My sleep has been off for the past couple weeks, so I got a lot of sleep. I'm a bit out of it right now making this video, so disregard. Sorry, I apologize for being out of it. This is looking pretty good though. Pretty neutral, must say. I would really like to see more shorts coming in, especially at the bottom of that range right there we had. But it's pretty neutral in regards to that. Let me go ahead and refresh EXO. I think we do have a Dalton today, if I'm not mistaken. So, but I think we already tested previous day value area high. I literally just got up, made some breakfast, and popped in, started making a video. I haven't even looked at the charts, so this is fresh. We're looking at charts right now together. Yeah, we got a Dalton. The open. Outside previous day value area low. Let's see, previous day value area high is at 62,000. So let's see if we can get some juice to get back up to the top. In my previous video, I did speak about how I was saying it was kind of bearish for us. This side right here, you know, if you remember, I was talking about how shorts were pulling out. Pretty much typically was a bearish sign that they would go lower. I still ultimately want us to go higher, but we're still playing a range, you know. It hasn't really changed too much for us, but this is always something to take consideration of when you see shorts moving the market up and there's no long interest coming in. Most typical times that's a reversal and it's going to go back down. So that's always something to take note of. You know, it's not always 100%, nothing's 100%, but it's always something to see and realize and just take into consideration if you're in a bad position, to get into a better long position, or if you're looking for a position, you know, shorting it based off that is always great too. All right, I got me some coffee. Sorry about that. So, bit choppy here. We did have a nice reaction to the bottom of the range, though. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. I did see this on the 12-hour. That's kind of great to see. Hold on, I'm going to move my browser here real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, I like literally woke up and was just like, let me pop in and make a video right now. I just felt like making one. And it is a live trade, but I am adding some commentary to it, so just switch it up from what I normally do for my live trade stuff. So you see here we have some bullish divergence starting to build up pretty darn nice. This one hasn't confirmed yet on the 12-hour, but that's looking pretty darn good for us to see that. I did want to look at the daily, see if that's changed any more since our last video. Not really. We're still like in a neutral posture, but more of a bullish side of that. Weekly still looks like trash. So we did get, I was mentioning to the group that I was looking for 6,400, and that was kind of the swing fail right here. We had the swing fail of that low right there, you could say. Kind of a nice area that I was looking for. We actually went under it, closed a little bit here, and then came back in, pumped, mega pumped right there. So that was overall really nice setup there. But we're starting to get some really good volatility coming in on 30 minutes right now. Let's see, 45 minutes, check that out. 45 minutes is kind of going in a bearish posture on us right now. Hourly. See, the biggest thing is this, it keeps rejecting up here every time. This is old fib. Well, I mean, it's not old fib. It's a fib that we used from the upside that we're looking for a potential area for support, and we just kind of blew through it. Well, I mean, we bounced a little bit, but then blew through it practically shortly after that. So 1 hour is starting to turn over. Let's see the 2 hour. 2 hours looking pretty good though. 4 hour. 4 hours looking pretty darn good. So possibly a minor pullback for us overall. Oh, we got bullish divergence that confirmed on the 6 hour. That's great to see. That's really good to see. Bullish divergence on the 8 hour confirmed. That's great to see. And then, you know, of course, we have the 12 hour that's starting to form right there. Daily was looking pretty good. I don't see anything bearish on the daily for us, so I mean overall that's looking pretty darn good. I wish the dollar was open today, would have been great to see, but we are having somewhat of a pullback from the dollar. Again, Bitcoin always does the opposite of what the dollar is doing. So as you can see, we kind of had a pullback towards the end of the market trading day on Friday, and it's good to see that should help Bitcoin. Now it is the weekend, so I don't really see us moving too much, although we do have some signs of volatility on the lower time frames, as I said. So it'd be good to see what those bring for us. They are pretty consistent in making a move for us. So I would really like to see some volatility start up on these lower time frame or these higher time frames for us again, so we could really get a nice move. That would be great to see. You know, we had this volatility right here. We shot up, double topped it, and then came down. So I always like seeing the volatility signals starting to come in. Juxtapost does a really good job bringing those in, and sometimes if I'm not in a position and I start seeing those starting to show, then I look for a position and whatever is good, a good trade to take based on knowing that there's some volatility coming in. Because sometimes when, you know, there's no volatility, it's just choppy and such, that's when you start losing trades, is when it's choppy and you just don't know which direction it's going because you're just getting chopped to death. So it's always great to have that volatility signature coming in saying, hey, there's a move coming, get ready, and then, you know, you trade it. You trade the charts and you make good money off of it, you know. But overall, I'm looking still looking bullish on Bitcoin right now. It was interesting to see us get this low here, and I'm concerned that there's not many shorts. There are not many shorts that came in. Open interest dropped like crazy, but we didn't really have many shorts come in on that. Shorts kind of just dropped off as longs dropped off. So this area is just kind of sticky. It's not the greatest thing, but we do potentially have a Dalton today, so I would look to see what previous day value area high brings. That's at 62,000 near. It's getting pretty close to our golden pocket that we've been trading off of, bouncing off of, rejecting from the past couple of days. So yeah, all in all, I'm still looking a bit bullish on Bitcoin. I did want to get this update out. This is going to be a short video. Probably make it like 20 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes. We're at 11 right now, so it'll probably be about a 15-minute video, and just have, you know, the trade going on and some nice music in the background and just enjoy, you know. So I did want to get this update out. Hopefully this helps y'all. It's just a quick one. It's more so my live trades with commentary this time. I know a lot of people probably like that better than just, you know, music playing and then my screen showing of my trade. So yeah, I thought I'd change it up a little bit. All right. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, enjoys, peace and love. See you next time.
Turn my back around. Try with some other girl. I'm looking for a better sound.
Reload and take that one in from the very top. Goes out to the noisy massive inside. As we rough up the ride, this one's absolutely flexing. Goes out to those around the side. Time to find yourself a space for this one. This one, this one.
run with me. Drop, I'm pulling in, bass so loud it's almost yanking. And then repeat it, do what you want when you're here with me. Watch me do my thing, throwing some money, I'll make it rain. Stop, I'm going big, and if you can't come, let's run with me.